so long, sucker. Where'd it go? No way. Oh man. Yeah, I can't follow it like the Golf Channel. God, I'm scared about hitting that bar. Get it, son? Because I was thinking to myself that I was going to make a noise right before your thing, and I was like laughing at what was going to happen afterwards.
Yeah. That just happened.
Okay, send this one. Let's see a splash.
Really messed it up.
Okay, time for